Okay, 26th question. A simple pendulum undergoes simple harmonic motion. Gravitational potential energy of the pendulum is 0 at the equilibrium position. Okay, straightforward question. This is it's 0 here. How many times during one full oscillation is the kinetic energy of the pendulum equal to the gravitational potential energy? When is the gravitational potential energy equal to the kinetic energy? Okay, so towards it, what happens to the pendulum? Pendulum during one full cycle goes like this, goes to this extreme, comes back here, once again goes here and comes back over here, right? So towards it, now how many different places can we have the same energy, same gravitational potential energy? So if you take it, gravitational potential is 0 here. Here if you take, there will be some amount of GP and some amount of kinetic energy. Maybe they are equal at this point. Here once again potential energy is maximum. So this is the first point while it goes like this. And when it retraces, this is the second point, right? And when it comes to this position, it is third point over here. And when it retraces back during one full oscillation, fourth point. So as a result of it, there are 4 different places where the GP is same. Thus the answer is D, right? Okay, let us move on to the next one, 27th one.